have a special opportunity for you today. You might have seen a quilt we recently released called Steadfast. This is the quilt here, but this is now in different fabrics. I introduced it in a Moda collection. In under 24 hours, that quilt, its backing, and everything about that quilt was sold out, with people just really sad that they had missed out on the opportunity. Riley Blake has a new, really round, amazing array of what they call seasonal basics. This happens to be many of their fabrics for patriotic, and aren't they beautiful? So this is Steadfast again, and this is this time in Riley Blake fabrics, and I love it just as much as I did the other version, which happened to be Moda. This is also Quilts of Valor friendly. This is the proper size. There are size requirements for Quilts of Valor. If you have someone that has served in the military, you'd like to honor their service. It's so good to sew for those that have served our country and their families have served our country. It's just wonderful. So we have an amazing opportunity. We have been working around the clock to put this together for you to have even quilted. We did that on our Mara 24 handy quilter upstairs, got that bound. This thing's literally warm to the touch still, so you could see this. Fabrics coming inbound. What that means is you're able to reserve this kit for just a $10 deposit. This can be yours. We know 4th of July is coming again, and every year we want to be able to celebrate our nation and everything about this great nation. And look at this backing, also the seasonal basics. It's got the fireworks and the red and the blue on the crisp white background. I love that. The magic of this project is in the block, and the tool that made it happen is the Log Cabin Trim Tool 2 by Creative Grid. I've already filmed a video on how this works. Absolutely beginner friendly. In fact, our team, not once but twice, was able to put the quilt top together in one day. So that is why we were able to pull this together so quickly. The magic is in the Log Cabin Trim Tool, making this block so fun and easy and accurate to use. It works beautifully with a spinning mat, ensuring that you have safe and accurate cuts. Right? It's making all these blocks, and then we simply have a rectangle and we do a sew and flip technique. Easy peasy with a square right here, outer border, and of course we chose a really fun binding. So this is just a quilt that just resonated with people in such a profound way that we're like, we can't let that stop. We need to do it again in fabrics that bring forth the essence of Steadfast, that same vintage Americana look that is forever going to be in style and forever classic. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website. Here's what I want you to grab while you're there. Be sure, of course, to grab your kit. It's just a $10 deposit, and that's going toward the cost of that kit. This is the perfect 5-yard backing, beautiful screen printed, high quality cotton for just a $5 deposit. And you're able to reserve, this is a required tool, the Log Cabin Trim Tool TWO2. If you have a different size log cabin tool, that will not work. This makes the 12-inch log cabin block, so that's very important. And of course, other notions, right? Anytime we're doing precise piecing where we need things to be cutting just the right size, be sure to refresh your blade and your rotary cutter, get good quality thread, the patchwork pins, the normal drill. But the most important thing, of course, you know that by now, is to reserve your kit, reserve your backing, reserve your tool, and any notions you might need.